In front of me is REALME C3i, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate battery percentage and status bar on this device. So at first, just open list of all apps and enter the settings. And now the quickest way is to enter in search area battery. Tap on search then. And now select show battery percentage on status bar. And as you can see here, you can manage this option. Click here and you get 3 options. So you can hide it and now it is not visible. You've got only the icon of the battery and some kind of visible level, but still you have no idea the exact battery level. Then tap here again and you can pick either outside the battery icon, so written right next to the picture, or inside. And this is the way we've had it previously. Obviously it's up to you, but this is how you can manage this panel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.